Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. Let's get started first. Made my eyebrows. If you want to know how can I made a perfect eyebrows, you can watch my previous videos. Now you watch this trick and tips. Eyebrows should be done perfectly. Today I'm going to teach you how to do a beautiful eye makeup. First I'm going to apply concealer on my eyes and blend it well. And after that I will fix it well with the help of this powder. After that I will turn my nose here and will counter my nose. Then I take this eyeshadow light color on my eyes and blend it very well in my both eyes. Sorry, not my eyes, it's my makeup practice board. And then I applied this light brown color on my eyes and blended very well. And then I apply this dark eyeshadow on my both eyes and blend it very well. And then I apply this shimmery color gray on my eyes and blend it very well with the help of this blending brush in my both eyes. After blending I apply this transparent white glitter on my eyes. Look at this glitter, it's so beautiful and elegant. I loved it. I hope you like my videos and my makeup. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button, and you can also follow my Instagram and my Facebook and my TikTok. And then I apply the eyelashes on my eyes and highlighter on my nose and my brow bone. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Bye. And you watch full my video and subscribe my channel. I hope you like my all videos, and I request you all my viewers, you share my videos your friends, your relatives and your cousins. My eyes and highlighter on my nose and my brow bone. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Bye.